presenting a pre-owned 2009 Toyota Highlander. This four-door SUV has a six-cylinder, 3.5-liter V6 engine with front-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Toyota has less than 183,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 18 miles per gallon in the city and 24 miles per gallon on the highway. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, roof rails, power windows, rear privacy glass, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, universal remote, external temperature display, airbags, anti-lock brakes, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, power moonroof, and premium audio.